everybody, welcome to Spooktacular 31 Days of Halloween. Every day in October, I am going to be uploading a Halloween look. It is actually October 1st right now, and so I'm a little bit behind, but don't worry, I will get this up and I'm going to get caught up. For my first Halloween look, I wanted to go with a cute clown type of girl. So I went in and did my base makeup first. I went in with some primer and then I put some foundation on. And next I went in to do my eyes. I am using right now the Color Blend Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette that I got from Amazon. I thought it was going to be a really good palette, and I don't like the colors in here. I don't like the pigment that it gives off. The green I was not satisfied with. As you can see here, the blue is very vibrant, but the green is just really dull. So I ended up having to go in with some blue and green eyeshadow right here, or glitter eyeshadow, as you can see right here. This is from the same palette and it's amazing. I love it. So I wasn't going to, that wasn't the look I was going for, but I ended up really liking it. So I'm just going in with some right now. And then here I am trying to make a upside down triangle. You guys will see that I have erased this at least 5 times. I was not satisfied with the way that it was looking. I was bringing it way too far down, and that was the problem, but I didn't realize what I was doing wrong until at the very end. Also, you will see in these few clips that I did both of my eyeshadow the same, and then I go in and erase one eye because I did not want them to look the same. I wanted them to be a little different. So here I'm just erasing it with my foundation brush, and then I'm just going back in, and yeah, I'm just not satisfied. I am using the black face paint is from Walmart, and I believe it's by Wet n Wild. You guys, they have like some really good face paint. So if you are in the market for some creamy, easy to work with face paint, go to Walmart if they still have them. I absolutely love these. The only thing that I would do differently if I was going to be wearing this look out, I would set all of the colors with an eyeshadow. I didn't because I was running out of time, and right after I was done filming, I was gonna wash this off anyway. But if you're going to wear this out, set it with a shadow because you don't want it to move. And by the way, this is really hard to get off, so you're going to have to work on it. I ran out of melting balm. You know what I'm talking about. I ran out of that, so it was very difficult to get this look off in the shower, but I did it. So here you see that I'm still just going in trying to, oh actually no, I'm putting some detail around that design, but you will see in the next clip that I just erase it again and start over. I wanted to keep this in the video because I wanted to show you guys that doing makeup looks is supposed to be fun, and you're not gonna be able to get it the first time, but you just got to keep practicing. Halloween looks are not easy for me. That is why I want to do 31 days of makeup looks, because I really want to challenge myself. So in this clip right here, I finally got the design down. I realized that I wanted it to be like not as long, but the only thing that I wish I would have did different is that the dot or the circle at the very bottom, I wish I would have had the upside down triangle come more to a point and then have that circle detached a little bit. So here I'm going in with the Jeffree Star money palette. I'm not sure what it's called. This one had some really nice green shadows in it, so I went in to try to use them, and I realized that it just wasn't worth it to redo it, so I just moved on. I went in with some white shadow from the Jawbreaker palette, and I put that in the inner corner for a highlight, and then I went in with some face paint to put some white on top of the black marks that I did, just to highlight them a little bit more. Now on the other eye, as you can tell, sorry, that's my phone. On the other eye, I erased everything and I went in with some red eyeshadow. I wanted them to look different. I didn't want them to look the same because I just wanted to have some fun. So here I'm going with another upside down triangle. This time I got it because the first one took me so long. The second one wasn't as hard to do. And here I'm going in with some blue face paint from the same palette that I used earlier. I really like this light blue shadow here. And now I'm just taking the red eyeshadow and I'm bringing it down on each side of it. And the nice thing about this look is you can do it however you want. If I was to go back, I would have changed quite a few things, but I was having a lot of fun just playing with makeup and trying to create a look. And now I'm going in with, what is that? An eyebrow pencil. And I'm filling in my brows. I was not being picky on my brows. I just wanted to fill them in to kind of have them stand out a little bit more. I do not like this eyeshadow or eyebrow pencil that I'm using. It is so dried up. I need to throw it away. So I'll probably throw it away after Halloween. But yeah, so now I'm going in with that same white shadow that I got from the Jawbreaker palette, and I'm just putting that underneath my eyebrows to really just highlight that and like have them pop a little bit. And now I'm going to make a triangle above my eye. This was actually very easy to do. And I just wanted them to be very bold. The border to be very dark, and then I wanted to go in with a color, and I ended up going in with pink because I really like that color from the palette, and I'm just filling that in. And then I will do now I'm going in with some green eyeshadow and some blue eyeshadow. I wanted to put that along my hairline and just give it kind of that look. I'm not sure what look I was really going for here, but and then I went in with a white eyeshadow and I put that around the two sides of the triangle because I just wanted to highlight it and have it kind of stand out a little bit more. Now I'm moving on to the other eye, and on this one I went and did the same triangle, and I really liked how that triangle looked. It was the sides were not straight, they were kind of curved a little bit, and then the top came to a really nice point, and that is the triangle that I was trying to achieve the whole time. So like I said, practice makes perfect. You just gotta practice. And then I just went in with some more lines to kind of, define it a little bit, and then I went in with some white face paint, and now I'm going in with some pink eyeshadow and I'm just putting that along my hairline. And then here I'm going in with some green and red glitter. My camera ended up dying on me, but I did not like how it looked, so I went in with this silver, I don't know what you want to call it, silver glitter, and I put that on top and I loved the way it looked. Now I'm going in with some red face paint, and I'm just putting a circle on my nose, and then I'm going to line it with some black face paint. At this point is when my son told me that it was 8:51 and I had to be out of the house by 9:15, so I started really rushing. If I would have had more time, I would have went in with some mascara, and I would have went and put some black eyeliner in my waterline, and I would have put some really big eyelashes on, but I didn't have the time. So here I'm just doing the clown mouth. I'm just making the line black, and then I'm filling it in with some white face paint, and then I went in with some pink face paint on the lips, and then I went and used some face paint, and I just brought it down to make it look more like a clown. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.